Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unprotect sheet in Excel, how to unlock your Excel sheet. Okay, so without time wasting, let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. So guys, this is an excel sheet which is already protected with password. Okay, if you have entered the you protect your excel sheet or spreadsheet with the password. So for that you need a password to unprotect it, but without password, without if you protect without password, then anybody can unprotect it easily. Okay, so I just protect this excel sheet with password. So I'm going to show you how to unprotect. Okay, so you can see I'm unable to edit this. Only with I unable to edit. Okay, so in order to unprotect, I have to just go into review, and here you can see the unprotect this option. Or another way, you have to just click on sheet and right click on sheet and click on unprotect sheet. So you need to enter the password. So I'm going to enter the password. So now you can see the excel sheet now is unprotected. So that is how you can unprotect or unlock your excel sheet with password. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.